Maiden Street, absolutely devastated. Everyone lost everything. I pray God we didn't lose alone. Watch our steps, kitchen. And John decided before we come here actually wash the toilet because it was full of mud and all this, and we was very upset because we didn't took actually photo from toilet and the shower, and you can see all this still. So level water was there. And I believe Townsville and Townsville community we hit the bottom. All I believe will be just need a time, and we helping each other.
So the kitchen cupboards will all probably need replacing, and my wife's a quilter. We're able to save some of the stuff, but we just didn't have enough room to put everything up, and so we had things on the blue tubs with boxes on top, and the water was deeper than that, so the boxes got wet as well as the tubs filling up with water. My wife's camper chest that I bought her for her 21st birthday. It's full of water and everything in it's soaked. It's starting to go mouldy, so I don't think that will be salvageable. It'll probably have to go out as is. We opened, and we're going to open the gates fully, which meant there was probably twice as much water about to be released from the dam. And we said, that's it, we're out of here. And so we walked out, because the water here, we have the lowest section of the street, but one of the highest houses in the street. So the water's about waist deep there, and I just thought, no, not driving, not going to try and drive out.
Mammoth effort, not even volunteers, but just people, even from the community, stepping up to contribute to the effort.
So I'll make some opening comments very brief, but then we'll invite Shirley to come and bring an acknowledgement of country.
Pleased to announce today that with this emergency appeal, Salvation Army has committed $1 million to the recovery assistance in Townsville.
Once again, we've been reminded that disasters can totally devastate life and livelihood. In Townsville and the surrounding North Queensland area, thousands of people and animals are experiencing this firsthand. The recovery will take a long time, and for many it will be years. The video has shown that we, the Salvos, are playing our part in bringing relief to those who've suffered great loss. We remain committed to standing alongside for the long haul. I'm so grateful to all the Salvos who prepare and train throughout the year so they are ready to effectively assist and serve when disaster strikes. Thank you. I'm incredibly encouraged by the financial donations we receive from thousands of Australians and for the corporate partnership of Woolworths in this vital area as the Salvation Army continues through the love of Jesus to bring hope within hardship.